Hey everyone, I am back and I am using Simply Ginger Co.'s kit today. I don't know what this kit is called, to be honest, but I really loved the string lights and I felt like it would go perfect with my string lights tape design, which I am about to show you right here. Look how pretty that is. You guys loved it so much that this whole design like literally sold out in one day. And also my bow designs also sold out. You guys are so amazing. I cannot believe how crazy it is and how crazy it's been. It's been a ride, guys, to be honest, but I've just been really enjoying it and I cannot thank you guys enough for supporting my shop. Anyways, I started off as always with the bottom washi because that's the thing that I'm most excited for whenever I film Plan With Me videos. So, you know, naturally your girl is gonna go down to the bottom washi. And my tapes were a little too big for this kit, so I just cut down the bottom part of my tapes and it turned out really well. I really like the fact that the bottom washi had string lights on it, so when you add my overlay tapes onto it, it kind of gives it that foil effect, like, hey, these string lights are poppin'. You know what I'm saying though? Like, it's not just like a 2D effect, but it's kind of like a 3D effect. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I really liked it. Now moving on to the quote box. The quote box is pretty cute. It says, holler if you're really, oh wait, no. Holler if you're ready for some summer nights. And to be honest, summer's almost over, but YOLO. Wait guys, I actually went to go look up when summer is actually over this year, and it's not over till September 22nd, so summer's technically not almost over at all, so yeah. As you'll see, I literally added my string lights tape over almost all of the full boxes, so I had a really fun time playing with this kit and my overlay tape in this particular Plan With Me video, so I hope you guys really enjoy it too. So in this Plan With Me, I actually went in and used some stickers that I had never used before. These stickers are actually waiting to be hauled in a video, and I just haven't gotten the time to haul them, so I was just like, you know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna pull them out and use them. So I got stickers from Banana Doodles shop, I think that's the name. And the other one is Haley's Handmade Co. For Haley's Handmade Co, I actually have had her stickers for a while, but I just haven't used them a lot in my spreads. Sorry, that's my phone. But yeah, you'll see that I've used Banana Doodles shop, Haley's Handmade Co, Marshmallow Studios, which is also a new to me shop. And I haven't used Very Cute Designs in a while, but I did pull in her stickers, and I definitely pulled in some Grumpy Bear stickers because I love Grumpy Bear Stickers Co. And of course, all the foil stickers stashed that I have on hand. So Tuesday was a little crazy. I made myself work out, ship orders, and also practice some songs for worship because I'm having a retreat coming up soon, and they asked me to help be on the worship team, so I had to practice the songs because your girl was a little, slacking, and worship practice was that night, and no excuses. So to represent worship practice, I just used a full box, this super cute mason jar full box. It's so cute, guys. Like, I just love staring at it, and I even put, my string lights on top. Like I said, your girl put string lights on almost all the full boxes today, guys. I may have gone a little crazy, but how much is a little crazy though, really? This is not that much. You guys can rest. I have heard your voices. I know you guys want string lights and confetti back, and even bows, but it's not going to be restocked anytime soon. But there's another but, and that but says if I can get enough people to vote for bringing them back, then I might just do a pre-sale. So what do you guys think of that? Comment down below. Do you want them back, and which designs do you want back? And let me tell you, Wednesday was too crazy, you guys. That was the day that I actually sold out of everything. No, not everything. I sold out of bows and string lights. You guys went so crazy. I had like a limited restock of confetti, and I literally just posted it on my story. And next thing I heard on my Etsy app, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. I'm just like, how did you guys get there so fast? Like, I didn't even blink yet. You guys are amazing. It was crazy. After Wednesday, I was just like, okay, I need to put my feet up and rest because it's just been too hectic. But regardless, guys, every time I think like, oh, I'm so busy doing this, doing that, honestly, I'm just so grateful that I even have this business and that I have such great followers like you guys and customers who really support my shop and really want to see me do well. And I so appreciate that, and I can't tell you guys enough how much I appreciate that. And every time I get busy, I'm just like, this is better than not having this business at all. So thank you so much, guys. So in this business, there's a lot of going back and forth between speaking to a representative who's going to manufacture your products and making sure things are finalized and just the way you want it, because once you receive your products, if it's messed up and you can't do anything about it, you know? So I've just been talking back and forth between my representative and just making sure that everything is exactly how I want it and that there's no ifs and in-betweens or anything like that. So that's just what I've been doing lately, just to update you guys. But today I definitely needed to get my Plan With Me video up, and I feel like lately I really have just been spotlighting a tape that you guys really like. So for example, the string lights tape sold out yesterday, so I really wanted to, I guess, in honor of selling out of my tapes in this design, I wanted to do a Plan With Me for you guys. So thank you so much for supporting it. This is why my Plan With Me videos go up late, because I feel like it's just more meaningful to post up a video of a tape that I'm really feeling at the moment. So thanks for your patience on waiting for my Plan With Me videos, guys. So usually my weeks start off like crazy hectic and then it starts mellowing and dying down towards the end. So Friday, I was actually going to go hang out with my friends, so I didn't really have anything much to do on my checklist, so I just left a checklist there just in case I needed to do something, so I can just write it down and check it off as I go. I know definitely I will have to ship out some orders, but that's probably about it and not much else. So I also left a half box on the bottom just in case I needed to do something with this super cute pillow sticker from Fox and Pip, and I just put down relax next to it just so that I can chill before the chaos starts again, because Saturday I'm going to go back into work and actually do some editing for my vlog, and I wanted to make this particular weekend banner-ish looking thing special by adding my string lights, of course, and this is the part where I added string lights to like everything. So that's what I'm doing here. So I had 2 extra full boxes and I didn't want to waste them, so I just put them down on the bottom because I guess this weekend is a special weekend. It's my friend Shelly's birthday. She asked me to coordinate her birthday for her, so that's what I've been doing, and there's really not much to put for Sunday, but I did want to make a list for Saturday for things that I needed to get done. And when you guys see me leaving some lists undone, it's because I just leave it blank on purpose so that in case something comes up, then I will just mark it down. And then, like I said, Sunday is my friend Shelly's birthday and I'm coordinating her birthday, so there's that. And then I made a note to myself to relax and also to collect people's monies because I am the money collector. That sounds so sketch, but it's not as sketch as you think it is. It's all for fun. And to top the second half of the week all off, I wanted to just add in my string lights again at the bottom, because why not? I already added it to everything else, right? And then this is where I show you guys what they all look like with the full boxes and the string lights and all. It's pretty, huh? And then lastly, I am working on the sidebar, which if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I work on the sidebar last because I like to kind of play it out and see how my spread looks before I do the sidebar. So here I usually put a quote box and then I put a weekly to-do checklist. So I guess like the top thing that I want to finish by that day. So Monday I need to complete my designs. Tuesday I need to practice my worship songs. Wednesday I had to work on orders. Thursday make this video, and all of the above. And this is the spread! It's so pretty, guys! I usually don't plan in silver foil, but I'm really starting to really love planning with silver foil, so I might do some more silver foils in the future. Look how pretty it turned out. Look at those mason jars though. Oh, so pretty. So I hope you guys liked this plan with me video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you did appreciate it. And don't forget to comment if you do want those overlay tapes back. Which designs do you want? Do you want confetti, bows, string lights, or all? Because, you know, all doesn't hurt either. Bye guys.